Hello everyone, it is a part third of my earlier two videos. So in this video, I am going to tell you third novel that you must read if you are an English literature student or passionate about reading English literature. So my third recommendation is Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man by James Joyce. It is a modernist novel. It talks about the journey of a boy called Stephen Dedalus and how he follows his passion for writing. If I talk about the genre of this book, it falls under the category of Bildungsroman novel. Now, what are Bildungsroman novel? I told you earlier also, but here I am repeating it for you. Bildungsroman novels are those novels that talks about the moral and psychological growth of the character. The journey of the protagonist is shown from early childhood to adulthood. Now, what makes this novel to falls under the category of Bildungsroman? The central character Stephen Dedalus, he realizes that what matters for him is his passion for writing. He keeps everything such as women, politics, religion aside in order to become a writer. If I talk about the narrative style of this novel, it is written in stream of consciousness. Stream of consciousness is that style in which there is no linearity of thought, the past, present and future intermingles. And that is one of the reasons that this novel is difficult to read. There is one thing that I want to add here, that there is an epiphany in the novel. Now what is epiphany? Epiphany is a sudden revelation when the central character realizes that what he or she needs to do with his or her life. In this novel, the central character Stephen Dedalus, he realizes that he wants to follow his passion to become a poet. That's it.